5-meter pressure hose for Dextro pressure washers. This is the pin type. Both sides have the same pin. The length is 5 meters. We also have its extension connector to connect two pressure hoses. This is how you fit the extension connector in this pressure hose. Then we insert this pin to have it locked. Then the other hose will fit in this place, so that two hoses can be joined to have a longer total length. We have many other accessories for Dextro pressure washers. You can message us and comment us on our YouTube video. Like the video, subscribe to our channel to have the updated video content every time. Orion Engineering Company, Karachi.